Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at improving your shell experience by installing ZSH. To get started, launch a terminal and run sudo apt update to update your software repositories. Then we'll use apt install to install ZSH. We'll verify ZSH was installed successfully using zsh --version. Then we'll use the change shell command to set our default shell to ZSH. In order for the change to take effect, we need to log out and log back in. So we'll close out of the terminal and then log out. Log back in, then launch a terminal. Follow the prompts to set the initial ZSH configuration. Next, we'll install the optional OhmyZSH add-on, which is an awesome framework for customizing ZSH with themes and plugins. Paste the command in the open terminal to download and execute the OhmyZSH installer. You now have a leveled up shell with ZSH.